to fully equip our students before taking the DOS examinations, we decided to come up with a national activity, and this is the time that it was held here both in Manila and Davao. And at this point in time, you will be seeing the students answering mock tests. This is a non-grade examination, but this is also part of preparing our students for the DOS Master's Licensure examinations.
Sa buhay nyo, give your best, and then that's it. Tapos na usapan. Kung pumasa, well, good. Pag nag-stop, well, all the better. Pero kung hindi, tanggapin natin, part ng buhay yun. But what is important is in the process, you have learned something. And that is more valuable. Tama ba yun? Yes. No? So yung natutunan ninyo, sabihin ko sa inyo kaibigan, lahat na natutunan ninyo, walang isang nasasakit. So ano ulit yung sinabi natin A? Attraction. Ano klaseng attraction? Love. Ano klaseng attraction? Attraction to where? Towards your vision and your goals. Tama? Ibig sabihin po no, mayroon pa ba tayong pagdududa? Wala. Ibig sabihin po no, sure na tayo? Ibig sabihin po no, talagang papasala tayo? Ibig sabihin po no, may magtatap sa Davao?